So here it is, my new iPhone 13 Pro Max arrived this morning and I'm really excited to see what it's like. But first, if you haven't done so already, please help support the channel by subscribing below. It would be most appreciated. So without much ado, let's get this open. The iPhone 13 Pro Max, and straight off the bat, it's a really nice looking phone. But the first thing that stands out before you pick up the phone is the screen display size, which is notably bigger than the iPhone 13 Pro. To be specific, the iPhone 13 Pro Max has a 6.7-inch screen display compared to a 6.1-inch screen display on the iPhone 13 Pro. The second thing that stands out is the weight of this phone when you pick it up, which is notably heavier than the iPhone 13 Pro, due to its larger battery, which Apple say will give you over 28 hours of video playback time compared to 22 hours on the iPhone 13 Pro. Now, for those of you interested in the specifics of the weight difference, the iPhone 13 Pro Max weighs 8.5 ounces or 240 grams, and the Pro weighs 7.2 ounces or 204 grams. That's a 1.3 ounce difference or 36 grams. However, aside from these main differences, there really is little else to differentiate between these two phones. They both have exactly the same cameras, the same A15 Bionic chip with 6GB of RAM, and they both have ProMotion, the new 120Hz adaptive display, and they're both the same design. So rather than tell you any more about how they're the same, it's actually quicker and easier to tell you the differences. And these are the display size, the weight, the battery life, and the price, where the iPhone 13 Pro Max will cost you $100 or £100 more if you're in the UK than the iPhone 13 Pro. So which one of these two phones should you get? Well, it's a matter of personal preference. If you want the longest possible battery life and prefer a larger display to watch media contents on your phone, and you're not worried about the size and weight of your phone, then get the iPhone 13 Pro Max. But if these are a concern for you and you want a phone which is easier to carry around, then get the iPhone 13 Pro. You're not going to sacrifice anything if you prefer the smaller design. And if you'd like to know more about the differences between the iPhone 13 and the iPhone 13 Pro, then check out my unboxing and video review in the description below, where I go into more detail about them. And if you like this video and you'd like to see more, please help support the channel by subscribing below and then click that like button. Thank you.